Ever wonder how things in factories or even your local car wash just work? A lot of the time, the magic behind the scenes is thanks to these little guys, Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLCs. Think of a PLC as the brains of the operation. It's a specialized computer that controls machines and processes. Unlike your everyday laptop, PLCs are built tough for industrial environments. They're designed to take in information from sensors, things that measure, or even if a part is in the right place, and then make decisions based on that information. They're used in factories to control entire assembly lines, making sure robots weld car parts in the right order. They manage traffic lights, optimizing traffic flow. They even help run roller coasters, ensuring a safe and thrilling ride. Think about a car wash. The system knows when your car enters, sprays the right amount of soap, and controls the brushes, all thanks to a PLC. It's programmed to follow a specific sequence, making sure your car gets a sparkling clean. PLCs are essential for automation. They make processes more efficient, reliable, and safe. They can handle complex tasks and adapt to changing conditions. They're the silent workhorses behind many of the things we take for granted every day. So, next time you see something working smoothly and automatically, there's a good chance a PLC is calling the shots. Pretty cool, right? Global Electronic Services is manufacturing's #1 source for repair, sales, and service of PLCs, as well as all industrial electronics, servo motors, AC and DC motors, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Have a repair? Call or visit our website for an RMA. For more technical videos such as this one, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.